How to add someone on Google Chat. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how, you can follow the steps. So for that, go ahead and open up the app. And once you open it up, you should be logged in with your Google account. And then you should be finding this interface on your screen. So all you gotta do is, you can use either the search bar in the top, this one right here, search in chat, or I can use this option message +1. You can tap on it. And after tapping on it, all you gotta do is enter the person name or their email or their space name right under the section. After that, go ahead and hit that person and send a message. And when you do that, you will be adding that person. So that's how you basically add someone on Google Chat very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.